What if I told you that some of the most powerful life-saving foods are ones you're completely overlooking? These foods can boost your immunity, protect your heart, and even fight chronic diseases. Stick around to discover these nutritional superheroes that you're likely missing out on. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into dietary habits that overlook some of the most beneficial foods. But what if these forgotten gems could add years to your life and improve your overall well-being? Today, we're uncovering 7 life-saving foods that deserve a spot on your plate. Many of us stick to familiar foods without realizing how much we're missing. The truth is, a lack of variety in our diets can leave us nutrient deficient and vulnerable to health issues like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. These overlooked foods can provide the essential nutrients our bodies crave but rarely receive. Let's explore how to change that. First, let's start with flax seeds, those tiny seeds that pack an incredible nutritional punch. Often overlooked, flax seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a vital role in reducing inflammation and protecting your heart. They're also packed with lignans, powerful plant compounds linked to a reduced risk of hormone-related cancers like breast and prostate cancer. On top of that, their high fiber content supports digestion and helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. The best part? Flax seeds are versatile and easy to add to your diet. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal or yogurt, mix them into your smoothies, or bake them into muffins or bread. Just be sure to grind them first to unlock their full nutritional potential. Next, we have beets, often dismissed by picky eaters but undeniably a superfood for your heart and brain. These vibrant root vegetables are rich in nitrates, natural compounds that improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. This makes them a fantastic ally for cardiovascular health. Beets are also loaded with antioxidants like betalains, which fight inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 key factors linked to aging and chronic diseases. And don't forget their high folate content, which supports cell growth and repair. Whether you roast them, juice them, or add them to salads, beets are a must for anyone looking to boost their overall health. Now, let's talk about something a little different: seaweed. You might associate it with sushi, but seaweed is a nutrient treasure trove that deserves a place in your diet. It's one of the best sources of iodine, a mineral crucial for thyroid health and hormone regulation. Seaweed also contains unique antioxidants, including fucoxanthin, which may support weight loss and reduce inflammation. Beyond that, its combination of vitamins, minerals, and fiber makes it great for brain and gut health. Try adding dried seaweed to soups, using nori sheets for wraps, or simply enjoying seaweed snacks as a crunchy, savory treat. Moving along, we come to lentils, an underrated staple that's not just for vegetarians. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, which help keep you full, stabilize blood sugar levels, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. They're also rich in folate, iron, and potassium, nutrients essential for energy production and cardiovascular health. What makes lentils even more appealing is their versatility. You can use them in soups, stews, salads, or even as a base for veggie burgers. Plus, they cook quickly compared to other legumes, making them a convenient choice for busy weeknights. Then, there's artichokes, a food that might seem fancy but is surprisingly easy to prepare and incredibly beneficial. Artichokes are one of the richest sources of antioxidants among vegetables, helping protect your cells from free radical damage. They're also high in prebiotics, a type of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut, promoting better digestion and a stronger immune system. On top of that, artichokes support liver health by enhancing detoxification. You can steam them and enjoy them with a squeeze of lemon, add them to salads, or use them in dips for a delicious and nutrient-dense addition to your meals. Let's not forget sardines, one of the most nutrient-packed foods you can find. These small fish are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve brain function. Sardines are also rich in vitamin D and calcium, making them excellent for bone health. What's even better is their low position on the food chain, which means they contain minimal levels of toxins like mercury. Sardines are also highly versatile. You can add them to salads, eat them on whole grain toast, or mix them into pasta dishes for a protein boost. Finally, we have dark leafy greens like Swiss chard, collard greens, and beet greens. While kale gets a lot of attention, these greens are just as, if not more, nutritious. They're loaded with magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve function, vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting and bone health, and calcium, which keeps your bones strong. Dark leafy greens are also a fantastic source of antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and fight inflammation. Sauté them with garlic and olive oil, toss them into soups and stews, or blend them into smoothies for an easy way to supercharge your meals. Each of these foods may seem simple, but their impact on your health can be profound. Incorporating even just a few into your diet can help you build a foundation for better overall well-being. By eating these nutrient-dense options regularly, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive, and that's a life-saving habit worth adopting. Think about this. By simply adding these foods to your diet, you could drastically improve your overall health and even prevent life-threatening diseases. These aren't exotic or inaccessible ingredients, they're affordable, versatile, and waiting to transform your meals. To recap, flax seeds, beets, seaweed, lentils, artichokes, sardines, and dark leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses you might be missing out on. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a simple yet impactful way to safeguard your health. Now, it's your turn. Let us know in the comments which of these foods you'll start adding to your meals. Don't forget to like, share this video with someone who could use a health boost, and subscribe to Nutrition Nomic for more life-changing tips.